Welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. Today's video is about cooker. So here I am presenting 3 best cooker. The first one is Anova Precision Cooker with Precision Base Bundle. Never ever undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker sauce white circulation water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meal. No matter what on your menu, use the Anova app to access thousands of free recipes and monitor your cook from anywhere via your smartphone. Sauce white cook guarantee the perfect level of doneness of nearly any food of your choosing. Chicken, fish, vegetable, egg, beef, lamb, pork, and more all ideal candidates for your sauce's white circulation. Now with more power, faster heat up time, and improved Wi-Fi connecting all in a smaller and more durable body, the Anova Precision Cooker is the perfect option for anyone chef. It easily attached to any stock pot or container with a fully adjustable clamp and the water resistant for when accident happen in the kitchen. Whether your sauce white in a pot heating on your next meal or just hanging out look great on your countertop, the base allows your device to stand upright without the use of clamp. This is a perfect accessory for your precision cooker. The next one is Breville CS 1001 Julie Sauce White Stainless Steel, smallest, sleekest sauce white tool available at just 11 inches tall and 1.3 pounds with the streamlined white body and solid stainless steel cup and base. Half the size of the other sauces white machines, it's small enough to slip into a top drawer. Heats up fast, 1100 watt of power for hyper fast watering heating system requirement. ISO 8.0 or later, Android 4.4 or later, internet access requirement for same feature. Visual doneness feature in the Joule app display exactly how food cook. Dinner come out the predictability perfect every time. Weather requirement: minimum water depth 1.5 inches, maximum water depth 8 inches. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ready, work Wi-Fi, iPhone or Android. Connect with Bluetooth alone or cook from anywhere with the Wi-Fi. Bluetooth Smart 4-point wireless technology. Voltage warning: working with the 120V outlet only. Due to our precious heating technology, voltage transformer and converter can damage your jewelry and use outside of North American void the warranty. The last one is Anova Culinary AN500 US00 Sauce White Precision Cooker Wi-Fi. Perfect result every time. Never over or undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker sauce white circulate water the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meal. No matter what on your menu, use the Anova app to access thousands of free recipes and monitor your cook from anywhere via your smartphone. Sauce white cookings, the perfect level of doneness of nearly any food of your choosing. Chicken, fish, vegetable, egg, beef, lamb, pork, and more all ideal candidate for sauce white circulation. The ability to look in the flavor and moisturize during the cooking processes result in a texture and taste that is second to none. Now with the more power, faster heat up time and improved Wi-Fi connection, all is smaller and more durable body, the Anova Precision Cooker is the perfect option for any home chef. It is easily attached to any stock pot or container with finely adjustable clamp with the water resistance for when accident happen in the kitchen. Simply attach your precision cooker to your own pot or container, fill the pot or container with water and add your food in the salad bag and cook manually with the built-in control or with the Anova app. To check this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.